Welcome back, everybody. Yes, wildfire potential here at the end of January and the beginning of February. This is unusual. However, let me be specific here. We're not going to see huge wildfires developing in our forests. Where there is potential for wildland fires will be in the grassy areas where there is no snow on the ground. There will be a lot of wind, low humidity, of course, near record high temperatures for Saturday, and all those combinations combined together could lead to a human-caused grass fire. So please be careful here. Cut Bank, Great Falls, Helena, Bozeman, Lewistown, Havre, and everywhere in between. This is not a good weekend to try to do any kind of debris burning. Now, I mentioned the high wind, or under a high wind warning for almost the exact same areas. Coincidence? I think not. 30 to 55 mile per hour sustained winds and gusts in this area between 55 and, yes, that does say 100 miles per hour. 100 mile per hour wind gusts potentially here, especially right off of the Rocky Mountain front. East Glacier, Hart Butte, Browning, even out there around Cut Bank down through Pend Oreille County, we could have some of those gusts topping 100 miles per hour. Yeah, this is not going to be a pleasant day here on Saturday. High wind watch for central southern Lewis and Clark County, Jefferson County, and Mark County. A watch, not a warning, but it still will be very windy here throughout that area and throughout a lot of the state. Now, on the radar, things are quiet for the time being. Our little ice and snow maker, you're saying, what ice and snow maker? Yeah, that was in the central and eastern part of the state. That is now moving out of Montana and into the Dakotas. So, a couple of different future tracks I want to show you here. The precipitation, the cloud cover increasing as we head into Friday morning. We will not have a nice sunny day like we had today. Some snow initially in the higher terrain, a couple of rain showers out across north central Montana, but the snow levels will be rising heading through tomorrow afternoon and evening, maybe all the way up to between 7,000 and 8,000 feet. That's pretty high here for the end of January. Mostly cloudy skies with the wind really ramping up here Friday night into Saturday. And Saturday we'll have sunshine, we'll have record highs, but there will be that wind and the potential for, again, grass fires in the lower elevations here where we don't have any snow on the ground. Look at the snow, though, increasing Saturday evening. This is the cold front that will sweep through the state, dropping the temperatures and also dropping the wind speeds by the time we get into Sunday morning here behind that front. But tomorrow, Friday, will be a windy day, windier than today, and it was a pretty windy day today. And then look what happens as we go into Friday night and throughout Saturday. The shade of purple is where we're talking about winds 40, 50, 60 miles per hour. And again, through Saturday, right here along the Rocky Mountain front, that's where there could be some wind gusts up to 100 miles per hour. Not a good day to travel along Interstate 15 there, perpendicular to the wind, towing a trailer, driving a high-profile vehicle. For tomorrow, a windy day, a mostly cloudy day, a couple of windswept rain showers in the lower elevations, highs 40s and 50s, almost 60 in Roundup tomorrow. And Saturday will be the warm day. Here it is, the 1st of February. 50s and 60s record highs will likely be set in parts of the state. It will be an extremely windy day here late in the evening. That cold front will move southward through the state. Not a lot of snow unless you're down here in the southern half of the state here on Saturday night into Sunday. Interstate 90 especially could have some of that snow south of Great Falls, south of the capital. And then heading into Monday, temperatures a little cooler with some snow showers. Here's the 7-day forecast for the capital. 50 tomorrow, 64 on Saturday with a lot of wind, a little light snow Saturday night into Sunday, and then much more typical weather here for the first week of February. Yeah, a little warmer on Thursday, but next Friday could be talking about more widespread accumulating snow.
All right, Curtis, thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Just couldn't
Sam,
last.
I know. Sorry, Sam. You can handle it, though.
I certainly hope so.
All right.